there's a side to me you don't know. Different to the child with the smiling photos. Made some decisions, some wrong, some right. Now strangers for my number when I'm sleeping.
Hi guys, it's Gattinu and today we are going to unbox the Chuwi Hi10 Pro tablet. This I bought it recently for my dad. It's the Chuwi, as you can see from the side. It's the Chuwi Hi10 Pro. This consists into two operating systems. We've got the Windows and the Android 5.1, and it is rocking the Intel 64-bit quad-core ZA350, and it has a 1.9 GHz and a 4 GB of RAM, and the color it's grey. It is inspired by Intel, as we can see here down below. And let's get inside. This I will put the link down below in the description below if you'd like to buy this product. So let's open it up. For the box itself, here we have a little bit of specifications from where it came. This is a China build tablet, and so far so good. So put that on that side. We've got the tablet itself. We'll put this on the side, and then let's see what we get in the box. So here we have a small documentation and manual how to use the iPad, the tablet itself. That's rubbish, so we'll put it on the side. And here we have all the cables required for this tablet. So it is a simple cable, nothing big. It's a USB-C. It's a USB-C to a USB, and separate, it depends where you live, you'll get the power adapter of your region. In this case, for me, it's a 3-pin adapter. So let's put these all on the side. It's nice that you can use it with a USB, so you can charge it even with a power bank, and so on and so on. So here we have the tablet itself. Let's open it up. And here we've got the tablet. It's a 10.1 inch wide tablet, as we can see. We have some details here. It's an Intel 64-bit quad-core, as I said before, 1.9. It's rocking the Windows and even the Android itself. So let's see. It's a nice finish. I really like it. So on the side, we've got a USB-C and SD card slot as well. And let's open it up. So that's good. It's a screen protector as well, so if we be careful, we can manage to have. And that's beautiful. It comes with already a screen protector installed with it. That's really nice. So let's power on this thing. Here we have the light, and here we have the display itself. It's the Chuwi. So here at the beginning we have two options. Either you use it as a Windows or an Android, and let's see what's happened. I think I touched the Android, or so we'll give it a minute to load. Just to go for it, I have purchased as well, I will leave the link in the description below, a case for the tablet as well. So let's install it while it's doing its thing. There we go. There we go. And that's a nice fit tablet too. go for. And that's the tablet case. So it's a simple interface. This is the Windows part. So I will skip through this and I will come later on when it's all set up. So guys, as you can see here, we have set up the tablet. Let's see a little bit of the interface. So there's double click. So let me try to okay, I think it's opening. Let's see, I'm trying to open the database. As you can see here, it is the Windows part, and let's skip as well to the Android. So basically we have the touchpad here, have some notifications, and this is the interface. So basically this is the interface for the Windows, and let's skip for the interface of the Android. So, and here we have the interface for the Android device. Let's skip over after I set this up as well. So there you go guys, we've got the Android running as well on the tablet. As you can see, it's a multitasking tablet. It is quite nice and quite affordable. If you'd like this product, I will leave the case and the tablet link down below in the description below. And if you'd like this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button, and if you want to see more unboxing like this and stay tuned for more things like this, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.